Hey everyone, so today we are going to hex mesh this U-shaped bracket part. You can download this IGS file from the attachment from the description. And this part we have already meshed in the newer version of HyperMesh. You can check out this video if you are using newer version. But for older version, we'll do it now. So firstly, like this is a solid part and this is symmetrical about your xy plane. So we are going to split this solid. So for that we will just go to F8 and this line option we will choose and we will just give the three nodes here. So three nodes is fine. Once we got this node, we'll just go to geometry, solid edit. We'll just go to this trim with plane oblique surface option. And instead of this, we will just go to, as it is symmetrical about XY plane, we are going to choose X-axis and base point will be this one and solid will be this one. Done. Now we will hide this solid and we are going to work on this solid. So let me just save the view here. And now I'm just going to split it from here also. So to split it from here, I need will go again to solids and this time I need to split it again with Z axis and solid this will select and base point I will select anywhere in this line. Done. So this way this solid got splitted and now I can just I don't want this split. I'll go here to solid edit and merge these two solids. So this solid got merged. And then I can just, if I able to hide this, there should be one point here. So this is fine. So up till now we are done. Let me just save this HyperMesh for the time being. Now I'll just batch match this and see whether we are what we can do with it. Or just go to this one and criteria file I'll select and this surface I need this surface and this surface I will batch match this. So this batch match is created and you can see like almost there is almost no triad here and here there is also no triad. If I just go to here config I will be able to find out the triad easily. So there is one triad here. So let me just remove this triad. Go to elements and this triad is also removed. And now I will focus on my solid mapping. So I'll just go to 3D, solid map, go to this general option, go to this none and elements to drag. I will just choose this element and destination surface will be this one and this one. And surface along will be none. And element size, everything is fine. Let's see. Okay, source geometry not found. Okay, yes, I will choose select this. Yeah, Let me just use this source elements to drag. I have already selected, and this one. Okay, got it. So these are two surfaces, and HyperMesh is not allowing me to do it. So what I can do here, I can just go to this drag option, and I can just drag this element. This I will, instead of distance, I will put n1 minus n2, and I want two layers of elements in this. So I'll just put two here, drag. Okay, elements we forgot to select. Just by attach, drag it. So this way this is done. Once this is done, we need this elements to be connected with this element. So we'll just go on here and do the F3 operation. Sorry, done. So this element, this 2D elements we have connected with this 3D elements. Now we will see how many elements we want. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 elements we want in this direction. So we will just go again to drag this elements. I will just go by face, and this, and just go on select this one, and 13 I want in this direction. Just go on drag. This way it is done. We'll just unselect this. Now I have this 3D elements only, and but these 3D elements are not connected in this space. So what I can do here is I can just go to component, click on preview, and see. So these nodes are going to be attached here. This is done. Now we will again clear this nodes here, temporary nodes, and then we can just go on here to find the faces of this component, and we will just see whether this is properly connected or not. It shouldn't be having any free edges or any T connections. So there are no free edges, and we do the T connection of this. There are no T connections. Now we can delete the edges. We can delete the faces also. We can just unhide our solid mesh. Then one half we have done it. We will reflect it now. So we are going to go to tool, reflect elements. I'll just select elements. Just choose all the elements here. And this is symmetrical about XY plane. So I'll just go on here to Z axis, and base point I'll choose here. This is base point midway, and just go on here, duplicate to original component and reflect it. Once this is reflected, our job is almost done. We can just go to components here, preview it to the equivalence nodes, and we can just equivalence this. Equivalence done. So our hex mesh has been completed. So this is how you can able to hex mesh this usage bracket. So you can download the attachment, you can download the cat part, and you can follow along with the video. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.